Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here I present you 1 to 8 scale Jeep crawler car from TWOLF. So this one M715. It was all kit, and we put different electronics and add the light and sound system and smoke into it, get it assembled, now ready to run. So first, rear side cover, we open it, put a 2S X60 connection battery. So 2S, then we cover it back, can lock it with 2 screws, lock the cover, also one this side. So the cover secured, so push and open the right side door. Here, that's the power switch, press it, power it on, radio already on, yeah. Then we lock it back, can start operating. So the light circulating, yeah. Put it off, on, now it's all on, and sound. When engine sound is on, the smoking also on. It is our customized sound. So after heat up from the rear side, you'll see here coming smoke. So now it is rear driven, can lock the middle transfer case, only rear driven, and put 4 driven. Now 2X driven, but differential lock it, then 4x4. Unlock, rear drive. So all 4 doors can be opened. See inside the seat, all the decorations. Also left side, pulling, open it, pulling, open. That's the seat, can adjust. And turning driving wheel, turning together one steering. And with the fancy panel, you will see now it's written number 1 here. So when I shifting, now check number 1. Now it is at low speed gear, first gear, drive, and shifting to neutral position. On top it's open, and here have mirror, and there is a panel showing gearbox. Shifting to first gear is low speed gear number 1, and you can see the speed and the engine turning speed is all showing, changing. And shifting to neutral position, now it's showing N. High speed gear, the second speed gear is showing 2. So engine turning speed, driving speed is also showing. So when at neutral position, now it's showing N. Only engine speed, no driving speed. First gear, engine speed and driving speed all showing. Seat moving back, also right side moving back. Driving wheel. Lock the door. Rear side door also can open, press down, unlock, that's the lock pin here, unlock, lock. So all this is all CNC alloy, all metal, and the side net is steel here. That's steel net, shining, lock it back. So rear side bumper, you will see inside is CNC alloy and with shackles. Outside it is with nylon protection. All hubs are CNC alloy. All mud guard, very thick nylon, very strong. Powerful by impact, yeah, no changing deformation. And all the frame cover, top, cabin, it's all thick CNC alloy frame. And engine cover, unlock, open. Here we will see simulating real engine V8, receiver, speaker, smoking fan, heating unit, and from bottom, lock it, we will see. From bottom left here, I put the soundboard. It's in this position. So front bumper, you will see it's also CNC alloy thick frame, outside with nylon protection and alloy shackles. A winch here, release, take back. So all these CNC alloy plates, all these metal parts, they are not painting, it is electroplating color. Let's see the drive speed, that's low speed, full drive, rear and front drive, neutral position, high speed. Forward. You see the tire already expanded because of high speed turning. Low. And let's see the steering from the front side, lift up, left and right. That's the metal servo, steel connecting rods. And here you will see the big spring for suspension and also with a shock absorb cylinder. Inside it is with piston and a little hydraulic oil inside, or we can call it absorb oil inside. See how it's turning. And for the axle, it is all CNC alloy shell. Inside it's a steel shaft and steel hardened gears. So for the axle, it is 4 steel connecting rod for balancing, steel CVT drive shaft, and this transfer case is here, yeah. So one side here is going to front, and the rear side actually is coming out CVT drive shaft from there. This one, and 4 connecting rod. For the rear axle, also same material, steel gears inside, shock absorb, and big springs. Let's see. Move it. Press down. Here, engine part is a CNC alloy inside the drive motor, and gearbox here, alloy shell inside steel gears, and here also the speed coming out. All this transfer case, CNC alloy with steel gears. Here it is bottom plate, inside is carbon fiber. Here the rear side, that's the half metal servo for differential lock. So 2 wires, and with these 2 rollers turning together, now it is at the differential. Lock it, here, lock. Now it is locked, 2 axle locked. Unlock. Here inside, that's the servo for cutting power for front axle. So now, let's see, it's rear drive. Lock, it will be rear and front drive. Changing to rear drive. That's the servo inside for changing rear drive and rear and front drive. And for the gearbox shifting, the servo, it is inside the engine, now cannot see. So it's already set up. Low speed, neutral position, and high speed. So let's drive this one now at low speed. Check the rear side light. Reverse. Forward and stop. That's a braking light. This one at low speed already can drifting. I will show you. Let's try with high speed. So For drifting, better to put them at a differential, yeah? Let's see, high speed. Let's see. Maybe I need protection. It's a small table for high speed drifting. Let's go. Thank you for watching this 1 to 8 scale metal Jeep crawler car. And for more models, please go to my website, oliverhobby.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.